Hi, welcome back to the counterculture. I got a quick tip for you today, how to peel garlic. Maybe you guys know this one, but some of you might not. So, there was a time that I had to learn it. When you have to do just a few cloves, the easy way to do is just to take it, you get your knife, set it over the clove, and smash. And just like that, you get a nice, clean piece of garlic. But what happens when you want to do all this garlic? It'll still take a long time. It's an improvement from where we were, or where you may have been before you found this video. You might have been like, trying to peel this stuff off one by one, and that's what I used to try to do before I learned this. So, and sometimes it can work if the garlic is old. But what we want to do, I want to peel all this garlic. So, here is how to do whole heads of garlic at a time. First, you just got to break it up. Which we'll do. And you get yourself, it can be just something with a lid, or, when I worked in restaurants, I'd use 2 Cambros. You know what a Cambro is, like the stainless steel sort of containers, and just kind of put those together. But it doesn't really matter, just something that you can put the garlic in and shake. And I gave it away, that's because that's what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna give you a demonstration of how good this works. So let's just get as much of this garlic in here as we can. Okay, so we're back. I got all this garlic. This is really 5 heads. The garlic wasn't as fresh as I thought it was when I bought it, so really quite a bit of it the paper just fell right off of it. But still got a lot that would have been, would have taken a lot longer to smash it. So here's what you do. You just put it in this, got this just Tupperware container, just anything like this, you can shake it and just go. And you can see it's much all of it is coming off. The paper's coming off most of these. Might be a few more to go at it again, or to just smash individually. But as you can see, we got these whole beautiful pieces of garlic, all nice and peeled there within a few minutes. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the other videos I'm making with all this garlic, and try those out. Have a great day.